I have a Kenmore stove that was giving me an error. It was flashing F10 on that screen. And if you look that up, it tells you that there's something wrong with your temperature sensor. I'll show you my particular model number if you're having the same trouble. Might turn your head sideways to see it down there at the bottom. Anyhow, come around to the back. We pulled it out and unplugged it. You're gonna have to remove this panel. We've got all but one screw left just to show you. Let that panel get out of your way. And that is the back of your temperature sensor right there. So we're gonna move that one screw. We got a little nut runner. I forget what size this is. I don't know if it says on the thing or not. Made in USA, that's a plus. I don't know. It's a little one. There's a screw. And this is our temperature sensor, the new one. Got this one off of Amazon. I think it was like $6 or $7. Way cheaper than buying a whole new stove. So we can just get that wire unplugged. There we go. Pull that one out and see, it was clean, so I think it failed on me. Alright, we'll plug that back in. Alright, so we're just gonna put a little screw back in to hold that piece. There we go. Then reattach the wire to the plug. Maybe an issue. And there we go. We reinstalled our temperature sensor on our Kenmore oven.